5. Passive income streams. For introverts who enjoy photography or writing, passive income can be generated through stock photography and self-publishing ebooks, which are great ways to monetize creative skills without direct social interaction. Stock photography allows photographers to sell their images on platforms like Shutterstock and Getty Images. Once you upload your photos, they can be purchased by individuals or businesses worldwide, generating income every time they are used. This method is especially appealing to introverts as it requires minimal interaction with buyers and focuses on capturing and sharing high-quality images. On the other hand, writing ebooks is another excellent way for introverts to earn passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow writers to publish their work independently. By writing and formatting your book, you can sell it directly to readers around the globe without the need for traditional book sales interactions. Each sale brings in revenue, and with Amazon's vast audience, the potential for earnings is significant. Both of these methods offer a way to continuously earn money from initial efforts, making them ideal for those who prefer to work quietly behind the scenes while still achieving financial and personal satisfaction from their passions.